9.3 What are child abuse and neglect? My name is Noraina Farhana binti Samsul, D20231106-837 KKS3063 Penyelewengan Sosial dan Delinkuensi. Definition of child abuse and neglect: any recent act or failure to act on the part of parents or guardians resulting in deaths. 4 types of persecution: neglect, physical abuse, psychological abuse, and sexual abuse. Definition of neglect child in the Ohio Penal Code, Juvenile Law, RC 215103A Code. First, abandoned by the child's parent or guardian. Not having adequate parental care due to the fault or habits of the child's parents or guardians. Parents or guardians who neglect children or refuse to give them proper or necessary subsistence. Parents or guardians who refuse to give children the special care required by the child's mental condition. Last, parents, legal guardians, or guardians who have placed or attempt to place a child in violation of sections 5103.16 and 5103.17. According to the definition of child abuse, dangerous child danger law found in section RC 2151031B of the Ohio Revised Code, an abused child is defined as any child who, being the victim of sexual activity as defined under Chapter 2907. In danger as defined in section 2919.22 of the Revised Code, showing evidence of any physical or mental injury or death, evidence of physical punishment or other physical disciplinary actions by parents, guardians, persons with custody, due to the action of the parents or guardians, suffer physical or mental injury that endanger or threatens the health or welfare of the child. In a report of the Task Force on Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention, National Advisory Committee on Criminal Justice Standards and Goals 1977 pp.335-336 proposed a new approach to the entire area of abuse and neglect. Labels such as neglect and abuse would be discharged in a favor of a new concept, the endangered child. Under the committee's standards, parents would not be found at fault if the family situation required intervention, but official intervention would occur when: first, a child has no parent, guardian or other adult to whom the child has substantial ties available and willing to care for him or her. Second, a child has suffered or is likely to suffer physical injury imminently, inflicted non-incidentally by his or her parent. Third, a child has suffered or there is a substantial risk that the child will imminently suffer. Number 4, a child is suffering serious emotional damage. Number 5, a child has been sexually abused by a member of the household. Number 6, a child is in need of medical treatment to cure, alleviate, or prevent serious physical harm that may result in death, disfigurement, substantial impairment of bodily functions, of severe bodily harm, and the parents are unwilling to permit the medical treatment. And lastly, a child is committing delinquent acts as a result of parental pressure, encouragement, or approval. That's all from me. Thank you.